Welcome back, Finca family, to the very last highlight of 2021. Hey Smeegs! With this special episode, what do you want? This special highlight, we're going to say a huge thank you to all of our followers and subscribers and donators and supporters and everyone who's helped us through the last year. We want to show you some of the animals, most of, but I don't think we can fit them all into one video, but most of the animals that you have helped us save through 2021. So come with me and I will show you them. So let's start with the donkeys. Hey, this is Tramp and this is Smeagol. Do you have to be in every shot? This is going to be them like narrated by Smeagol. So this is Tramp and over there we have Lady. We got them earlier on in the year, and if you remember, Tramp came with all open skin, he had no hair, and Lady we were impossible to touch. And now, as you can see, he's showing you that he's lovely and hairy and his skin is amazing, and Lady, she's perfectly friendly to touch now, but she's over there. Good job, Trampy! The two not Muscovy ducks, they came this year too. Daisy and Maisie, our two little piglets. Hey, girlies! Hi. So Daisy and Maisie just got saved from being sausages. Isn't that right, girlies? And here we have Catalina and Ava, both very recent. Catalina had 4 homes in one weekend, and Ava, she had a 3-hour walk just to get to the trailer so that we could rescue her. And here, our 2 newest girlies made friends. And here we have our little danger pony, Fauno, enjoying his breakfast. Although he's incredibly cute, don't be fooled. He can be a little bit of a, am I allowed to say bugger? He's a bugger. Fauny! But he's super cute, really. And we have Bounty. We rescued her much earlier on this year. You remember that we actually thought she was pregnant. Luckily you weren't, you were just getting fat. And this is the beautiful Bounty. And Chanel sort of counts. She actually came to us from Italy. She was rescued 10 years ago by Edu's family, but she came to retire here with us. So she sort of counts this year. And this is Callie Cat. She was found on the streets and came to us a couple of months ago. All of the birds came to us this year as well. We've got the cockatiels, the budgies, and the lovebirds. Here, some of the guinea pigs we rescued this year, Tom and Jerry. These ones are brand new here, so they're just in quarantine where we just check them over before they go free into the big paddock with the other boys. And here we have Wonky and Lumpy, who came to us from the big dog rescue where they spent their life inside the cage. And Lumpy came to us because he's old and to live out his twilight years. And Wonky came because of the problems with his legs and nobody wanted him. And we love his wonkiness. Do we, Wonky? We love the wonkiness. Hi. And here we have Foxy. She's just been castrated, so she is sporting a very beautiful outfit and she's a bit extra nervous at the moment. Hey Fox! And because she was so nervous, we couldn't put a cone on her. So she's got this beautiful pink outfit to protect her from her surgery. And here we have a really different pet who we haven't even announced yet. This is Ebbe, a giant tortoise. It's a bit early in the morning for him. He doesn't do much until a bit later on, until it warms up. We'll come back later and give you a snack, hey? This is Grouser, one of the 4 kittens that we bottle fed right at the beginning of the year. Grousey! Hey Grousey! And this is Sheepy. He came to us because another sanctuary who'd had him, who rescued him, and they had to close down and they needed some help. So we think we're much stronger if we all join up together. So we rescued him, and he's a little bit special. He's got a few difficulties, shall we say. So we found it really hard to rehome him. So we've been doing rehab with him here, and he's getting on super well, especially with Edu. So this is Callie. She was one of the puppies that was found in the bin. There were 6 of them, and the others managed to get rehomed. But luckily for her, she got rehomed by one of our volunteers. And a crazy little puppy, so she gets to enjoy Finca life, and she has a home of her own. Hey, puppy! Oh, Chewy, stop being a grump. Hey, puppy! And here we have our ferrets, which you can't really see very easily, but I think you've got some old footage of them. We've got 3, 2 of them were rescued from a really disgusting cage that somebody went to buy some chickens, and then they saw them and they bought them just to save them, and then they gave them to us. And one of them was just found on the street and he came to join the others. Hey guys. I'm not gonna put my fingers in. Oh, I didn't say their name. We've got Starsky, Hutch and Huggy. Huggy / Winston, he's got 2 names. This is our first 3 sheep. Remember Freddie? Close up Freddie. Freddie was the tiny baby that we had to bottle feed. And then we've got Leela, strolling over now, the supermodel sheep. And we've got Mama in the background, who was skin and bones when we got her, and we didn't think that she was going to survive. And but she blossomed and she put on weight, and now they're a happy little threesome. These are our 2 newest sheep that have been really recently. They're not technically rescued by us. They were also rescued prior to coming here, but they wanted to make sure they continued having a good home, so they came to us. And we got Coco and Curry and Agatha feeding them. And we've got these two lovely ladies. We've got Dragon and Fanta, who came to us not that long ago, honestly. And Dragon came to us because she had an injury with her knee, and then she was considered worthless. Fanta came to us after she lost her eye, this side, and then she lost a lot of weight, a lot of condition, and also was considered worthless. But they're not worthless to us, and they've made perfect friends, and they live happily together. I think they understand each other's story. And you made good friends, hey? Beautiful girlies. Although Dragon looks super cute and super sweet, she really is a bit of a dragon, which is why we called her Dragon, but not to Fanta. Or Phantasma is her real name. So as well as all the happy stories of the animals that we've rescued, all the horses and the dogs and things that are all living happily here, we do have to mention that some of the sad stories as well. We work a little bit like a hospice and try to save some of the animals that we know aren't going to make it, but we want to end their life in a humane way. We call it a last act of kindness. So we have to remember these as well for animals such as Dory and Darth. ...2021 has been quite a difficult year for everyone, including us and our animals. And we owe a huge thank you to all of our supporters who made it possible to save all of these animals. Without your kind donations, your support, following our social media, your commenting, watching our videos, everything that you have done has made this possible. So without you, we really couldn't have done this. So a huge thank you from us and all of our animals here. The end of the year can always be a bit more difficult. We still have to pay off vet bills and feed bills and loans that we have borrowed to make all this possible. So if you still find you want to help support any of these animals, we will put links below how you can sponsor them directly on our website. You can find out behind the scenes anything that happens to these animals, and you see exactly where your money is going. This also brings us to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for following this. We made this channel and it's been 1 year exactly now to show you where your donations go. We want to be open, honest, show you the ups, the downs, everything that we made possible because of all of you. So thank you so much as always. I hope you enjoyed the last videos of some of the animals that we haven't mentioned in this video, but we still managed to rescue this year. So as always, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, and send us all of your love. And have a happy new year. See you next year.